Hello small mobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks for your continued support for this channel. I appreciate the time you spent watching my videos. Thank you all. There's good news for the mid-range budget market as Huawei introduces the Y9s and Y6s to the world to close the year 2019 in a grand style. The Y9s and Y6s are good upgrades from the Y9 Prime 2019 and the Y6 Prime 2019 respectively. The Huawei Y6s still retains some of the specifications of the Y6 Prime 2019, but there are few important changes like the external design with a beautiful dual color tone for the orchid blue color, the touch of tiny white dots in the starry black color, and the mini circle camera bump. Another major improvement is in the bigger 3GB RAM size and a larger 64GB internal memory size. The unexpected and surprising change in the Y6s is in the processor, which is improved from the older Helio A22 quad-core processor to a much faster Helio P35 octa-core processor. Nice step, Huawei. The Y6s still has the same 13MP rear camera with 8MP selfie camera, same 4G support, same dual-up HD Plus screen resolution, same micro USB port, same Bluetooth 4.2, same 3020 mAh battery size, same Android 9.0 Pie but with a better EMUI 9.1 software, which I would love to check out. Moving on to the Huawei Y9s. Compared with the Y9 Prime 2019, it still has pretty much the same 1080p by 2340p Full HD Plus screen resolution and size, same motorized pop-up 16MP selfie camera, same 8MP ultra wide angle lens but with a wider 120 degrees field of view, same 2MP depth sensing lens, same Huawei Kirin 710F octa-core processor, same 4000 mAh battery size, same 4G band support, same USB Type-C charging port, and same Android 9.0 Pie but with a better EMUI 9.1 software. So the major improvements are the large 48MP ultra clear camera lens, which has a good reputation of taking clear detailed shots up to 5x digital zoom. The RAM has been bumped up to a 6GB size with a large 128GB internal memory. Another exciting improvement is with the fingerprint position. The power button and the fingerprint sensor has been integrated together, and it only takes 1 second to wake the Google Voice Assistant by long pressing and 3 seconds press to power off. This is cool. The final improvement is the polished glass back body with the 3D arc design that should deliver a smooth and comfortable feeling in your hand. There is also improvement in the night mode camera enhancement. This much needed improvement or upgrades definitely increases the final prices, but more value has been added. The Y6s is priced around 47,999 naira or $130, which is 9,000 naira more expensive than the Y6 Prime 2019, while the Y9s will be priced around 94,900 naira or $260, which is about 11,000 naira more expensive than the Y9 Prime 2019. With these prices, the Y9s and Y6s are not meant to replace the Y9 Prime 2019 and Y6 Prime 2019. It is quite likely that Huawei launches these two products in Nigeria before the year ends or early 2020. Let me know what you guys think about Huawei's offerings with the Y9s and Y6s. Is it a hit or miss? Kindly comment below your thoughts. Also like this video if you do and hit the subscribe button and also turn post notification on. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.